I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who has subscribed so far, and if you subscribe today, I thank you too. And in today's video we are going to make this scarf that I've got on now using merino wool and your hands and some scissors. That's all I have used. It's really simple. You can buy this in Joules for £55, but why not make it for a good, like, half the price, if not more. Anyway, all you need for this is merino wool, which is this. I use 1 3/4 of a ball to make it. I will leave this in the description box down below where I brought it from, the colour, like the link to it, so you can go and buy that if you want. They do other colours too, which are absolutely gorgeous, and I would love to make in other colours too. I went for this pink because my hat is grey and pink, so I thought it'd go better. Anyway, I'm going to show you how quick, easy this is to do, and it's a no-sew DIY. Enjoy! Okay, so first of all, get your wool. I'm just going to untie that bit. And here. Okay, so find your end. This is all ravelled up, which actually is pretty much the right length and thickness for me. But what you want to do is get one end. I should stand up really and show you this, but come here, little end. Right, this is an end. Remember, you're plaiting it, so you kind of want it longer, and measure it round your neck. Oh my god, this is a mess. Right, stand up. You can just see the ends for now. So I want it there, so let's do it floor length. So cut this as your template, which you will use anyway, because that will get the plait in it and make it shorter. So you want however many thick. I think I'm going to do it, let's just pretend this is a plait. I'm going to do it, yeah, that much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 strands per piece of plait. Does that make sense? So per quarter. So carry on cutting using your template. Do. And then you obviously get the gist. You cut it till you've got 21 pieces. Okay, so make sure that you have all your ends together of each 7 strands. So this is 1. I've divided them all out so it's equal. You just want to tie them all together, but in a loose double knot, because you're going to take it out after. So it turns out to be like that. You just want to knot it. Shove my hand through. Like that. And then you want to divide them up again, which you can see my divisions are still there, so it's quite easy for me. I'm going to drop you down so you can see me plaiting this and go from there. So the key to this will be keeping all of the 7 strands to the 7 strands. Does that make sense? So I've divided mine out, so one's on my left leg, one's on my right, and one's in the middle of me, to keep them split basically. But all you need to do is plait them, but I tightly plait them you might be easier actually putting your legs out and holding that. To plait it, but you want to do it tight, a tight plait, but obviously try your best to keep the plaits divided. And hopefully you can see the plait coming along. It looks really nice. I just finished the ends at the end, but I love it. I love the colour as well, to be fair. And then you carry on plaiting until you get to the end, and then we'll work out the endings at the end. I don't think you can see this, but I'm pretty much laying down now where it's getting longer, so I'm just going to push it through a bit more and hold the plait more into my feet. Okay, now I've got to the end again. I'm just going to tie a double knot in here while I work out how I'm going to secure it properly. Now it is cute just tied in a knot, and I do like it like that, but the way I saw it was really pretty. So if I put this on now, I'll show you what it looks like because it's the right length. I think it might just be a little bit longer, but once it's bundled around my neck it will look better. It just depends what coat I wear. So, but it's so thick and warm, but what I probably wear it like is, I've lost the train of thought now, like either like that, like with a smarter coat, or just once round. And down, but I'm going to sort the ends out now, and then I'll show you how to do that obviously. And you have your scarf. I love what it looks like, and it's so chunky and warm. So we're going to untie the first end first. Does that make sense? And you might want to continue plaiting down a little bit because you won't need this much, if that makes sense. You can plait more. This is the end that's probably got the best ends because you put them all together nicely at the beginning, for me anyway. Okay, so that's where I'm going to go to there and have all this to play with. You now need to secure it in place basically, and tuck it back into the scarf so you can cut it off and secure it. So I'm going to use my foot to hold the rest and find a hole or make a hole with your finger, and then thread through all of this like so, and then you can trim that. You might want to secure it with a stitch, but you can trim it off. We'll trim them all after. Just want to make sure that they're all through. Okay, then you do the same with the others. So just find a bit, preferably not the bit that you've just pushed through, which is what I just found and thought, oh, that would be good, but no. I suppose if you secure it, you're fine, to be fair. And then the final one. Turn it over and do it through here. So what I'm doing is put my finger through the hole and then pushing this all through the other way. Which just takes some time. But once it's through, it's good. Just pull it, just make sure it's tight, obviously. You don't want no lumps or bumps sticking out. And just tie it all. And then just do like a stitch in there if you want, you don't have to. It's just to secure it all. And then you can trim it off. And we're going to do the other end the same before I trim it off anyway. So move all of that back down there. Untie this end. And then make a hole and tuck all of that through. Really pulling at it to make it secure. Then the same with the others. So this one through here. Pushing it all through. And then the final one, I'm going to again turn it over and do that in one. And these little bits as well, because might as well. That is pretty secure, to be fair, so you can literally just cut it off. If you want to, you can put a top stitch in it. Then just get your scissors, just cut this end again, start this end, just seemed better. Just pull it tight. As you see, then it's tight and it's a good form. And then right near the knot, you just cut the ends off. And try not cutting this bit of wool, just the wool that you've got left over. Tidy up the ends. Again, if you want to secure them, you can, but that is well secure. Trust me, that is not going to come apart. You could always just stitch it in place if you wanted to. Right now, I'm not going to, but I think maybe in the it depends how it goes, but I don't think I will. Anyway, let's try it on. So here you go, this is it. This is what it looks like. I've just wrapped it around my neck once and down, but you can wear it just straight down, like if you've got a smart coat and you're going out for drinks with work, or like to your Christmas party or whatever. I think that's cute like that. Just walking along, or how I just had it, or it does look really nice like this. It's just, it's not cold enough to wear like this yet. Obviously tuck it in more, but that looks really lovely, and look at how effective the plait is. So yeah, this is my scarf. Obviously you just saw me with my coat on and how it looked then as well, but it's super cute. I love it, and I just think it's amazing that just some wool and plait in it can look so good, and I love that it's just formed perfectly, and the thickness of it is just right actually. Think that you could pay £55 for jewels in this, or I've paid £12, which is pretty good, but obviously if I sell these, which I might do because that was dead easy to make, I'd probably get about 25 for them, which is an average woolen scarf cost in the UK. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below if you'd make this scarf, what colour you'd make it. Please also subscribe. Everything, like the wool, everything that I got exactly this colour is linked in the description box below, and I hope you enjoyed.